CrownGateFlow Reviews often focus on how simple it is to access the platform and manage an account online. CrownGateFlow operates entirely through a web browser, so users do not need to install additional software before exploring its features. This browser-based structure makes the CrownGateFlow platform accessible from virtually any internet-connected device. Users can open their account, review market information, and manage available functionality through a straightforward digital environment. Another interesting feature mentioned in CrownGateFlow Reviews is support for VPN and Tor connections. CrownGateFlow allows these privacy-focused connection methods while recommending a stable and fast internet connection for smooth platform performance. Registration is also designed to be simple. CrownGateFlow does not require an initial deposit or payment information when an account is created. During registration, users can select Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin as their account cryptocurrency. The selected cryptocurrency remains associated with the account, which gives the setup process a clearly defined structure. The CrownGateFlow trading platform also automatically synchronizes display time with the user's local time zone. This makes it easier to follow operational times and market activity without manually converting trading hours. Asset information is organized through individual market pages. These can display contract expiration dates, market characteristics, identifiers, and exact trading schedules. CrownGateFlow combines these practical features with customizable functionality designed to adapt to different trading styles.